Hi people, so I'm gonna show you something. Just got it in the mail today. This is a box opening. My very first bump box. It's for new moms. I got this. Comes with a whole bunch of different stickers. For the baby, to put on the baby shirt. And then I also got this. It's made with essential oils. It's body lotion. Then this one says Hate Mama. And it says Bump Life at the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then it comes with a makeup cloth. And some nail polish. I just ordered it, paid $50 for this. I am waiting for more stuff to come in the mail. I'm waiting for a baby box to come in with Serenity's name and stuff in it. Anyways, that's all I had to show you today. Hope you enjoy. I'll probably post more videos later, but I wanted to open up my bump box on video because, well, it's my very first bump box. I'm enjoying every bit of this pregnancy, considering I had how many miscarriages. My YouTubers know. I documented them. They've seen my videos. So I'm savoring every moment. And when I seen that they have bump boxes, I got one. Spent $50, but it was worth it. It's a memory. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye.